Without wasting our time, let's quickly look at this mathematics question. We have to solve for x, which is the value of x, and we are given log x base 3 all as a square minus 1 over 2 into log x base 3 equal to 3 over 2. Now, we have to solve for the value of x in this logarithm. Now, if you look at this logarithm very well, you can see that they have the common base, which is log 3 base 3 base 3. Now, how can we solve this type of logarithm? Follow me. We are given log x base 3 all square minus half log x base 3, which is equal to 3 over 2. Now, since we have the same logarithm here, now let's represent it with a variable. Let y is equal to log x base 3, so that we can have this one in a quadratic form, because we have this one as square. So this one will now become y square minus 1 over 2. This one, that will be times y equal to 3 over 2. Now this one will now be y square minus y over 2 equal to 3 over 2. Now to clear the fraction, let's multiply 2 by the LCM, which is 2. So this one times 2 becomes 2y square minus y equal to 3. Now we can have the quadratic equation as 2y square minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. Now let's factor out. This one will be what? That will be 6. That will be minus 6y square. So we have it as minus 6. That will be 6 times 1, which is minus 6. 2 times 3, which is minus 3 plus 2. It will give us minus 1. So this one will be our correct factor. So 2y square plus 2y minus 3y equal to 0. So we have this one as 2y into y plus 1. Sorry, this one will be minus 3 equal to 0. So this one will now be minus 3 into y plus 1 equal to 0. So this one and this one, they look alike. So this one will now be 2y minus 3. This one will be y plus 1 equal to 0. So the root of the quadratic equation will be what? Will be y is equal to what? That will be 3 over 2. Or we have the value of y to be equal to 1, to be equal to minus 1. Now, don't forget we let y to be log of x base 3. Now let's substitute it back. Now from this we have y, which is, let's say when y is equal to 3 over 2. So let's substitute. That will be 3 over 2 is equal to log x base 3. Now we can change this to indices form, which is we have it as x is equal to what? 3 exponent 3 over 2. So x will now be equal to square root of 3 all what? All raised to power 3. So we can have it like this. So this is the value of x. Now when y is equal to minus 1, what do we have? Let's substitute. That will be minus 1 is equal to log x base 3. So x, let's change this to indices form. X will now be equal to 3 exponent minus 1. So x is equal to 1 over 3. Now this one is x equal to 1 over 3. We can have x to be equal to, since we have cube root of, and we have cube of x, so we can keep this one, so that we can have it as, that will be square root of 27. So either this one or this one. These are the value of x that we have. Please don't forget to follow, share and like, so that others can benefit. Thanks.